The famous 5-cup cake can't go wrong. In a bowl, start by adding 3 eggs. Next, 1 cup of sugar. And let's mix it all well. Now add half a cup of oil, 1 cup of milk, and mix again. Now let's add 1 cup of cocoa powder and 1 cup of flour. And let's mix it well. I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of yeast and mix just to blend in the dough. With our dough ready, let's move to a greased and floured pan. Here I used cocoa powder, but you can use flour. Just grab it, put in the oven at 130 degrees and give it 45 minutes. After that time, the cake should be ready. And just look at how great it looks. This cake, you can't mess it up. Just follow the recipe and it's super delicious. A moist chocolate cake, easy to make at home and a sure hit. For your coffee. And I hope you liked it. That was another little recipe from Pobre na Cocina. Big hug. See you next time and cheers.